The Tecno Phantom V Flip is a remarkable smartphone that boasts a sleek and lightweight design. With dimensions of 171, 7x74, 1/6, 9 mm, and weighing just 194 g, it features a unique construction, including a plastic front when opened, a luxurious leather back, a robust steel hinge, and an elegant aluminum frame. This combination of materials not only adds to its durability, but also exudes a premium feel. In terms of display, the Phantom V Flip impresses with its 6.90-inch foldable LTPO AMOLED screen, offering a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, a peak brightness of 1000 nits, and a resolution of 1080 x 2640 pixels. The 22:9 aspect ratio and 413 ppi pixel density deliver stunning visuals. Additionally, the phone sports a convenient cover display with AMOLED technology, measuring 1.32 inches and featuring a resolution of 360 x 360 pixels, with a high pixel density of 352 ppi and a brightness of 800 nits. Under the hood, this device is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8050 chipset, built on a 6nm process. It boasts an octa-core CPU configuration, including a powerful Cortex A78 core, clocked at 3.0 GHz, 3 additional Cortex A78 cores at 2.6 GHz, and 4 energy-efficient Cortex A55 cores at 2.0 GHz. Graphics performance is handled by the Mali G77 MC9 GPU, ensuring smooth and responsive usage. The Tecno Phantom V Flip offers ample memory with 256 GB of storage and 8 GB of RAM, utilizing UFS 3.1 technology for fast data access. It runs on the latest Android 13 operating system with iOS 13.5, providing a user-friendly and feature-rich interface. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the device's versatile camera system. The rear camera setup includes a 64MP wide main lens with an f1.7 aperture and a 13MP ultra-wide-angle lens with PDAF, ensuring high quality and detailed shots. On the front, there's a 32MP wide camera with an f2.45 aperture, enabling stunning selfies and video calls. Video capture capabilities are equally impressive, with the rear camera supporting 4K recording at 30 fps and 1080p at 30/60 fps with HDR, while the front camera can record in 1440p at 30 fps and 1080p at 30/60 fps. The device is powered by a 4000 mAh battery, which supports 45W wired fast charging, allowing you to reach 50% battery capacity in just 15 minutes as advertised. This ensures that you can stay connected and productive throughout the day without worrying about battery life. Connectivity options are extensive, including 5G support for fast data speeds, Wi-Fi 6 for enhanced wireless connectivity, Bluetooth 5.2 for seamless device pairing, and NFC for convenient contactless payments. Additionally, a side-mounted fingerprint reader provides secure and efficient biometric authentication. To top it off, the Tecno Phantom V Flip offers an immersive audio experience with its stereo speakers, enhancing multimedia consumption and gaming. This smartphone combines premium design, powerful performance, and advanced camera capabilities, making it an attractive choice for tech-savvy users.